I welcome you all. Today it is my second lecture. Name of the topic is Depreciation and Depletion. Before I start discussing actual topic with you, I wish to make some statements and some instruction to be followed up by the students. By the grace of Allah, we have covered 90% of the course program. Remaining topic is linear programming and simplex. I must also state here that you have already participated in quiz test 1 and assignment 1. Subsequently, I gave assignment 2 and sent it to the CRs of section A, B, C, D through email for distribution amongst all the students, and the CRs have responded positively. Most of the students have submitted assignment through email. Quite a few assignments were handwritten due to technical constraints and were not readable. What I would suggest is please do bring assignment 2 as a hard copy for grading and for keeping record of the assignments as and when university reopens. The responsibility of bringing the assignment as a hard copy holds true and good for all the students of 4 sections. When university reopens, we will start with quiz test 2 and remaining topic, that is linear programming and simplex. I will be taking help from engineer Tayyeba Batul, as she is quite familiar with the subject. Coming to the topic of depreciation depletion, before explaining the topic, let me tell you that a supporting document will be provided you in the form of a lecture through Gmail. To prepare the lecture, I have consulted 2 books. One is Engineering Economy by Tegramo, and the other book is Engineering Economy by Tarquin. So let's take depreciation first. Before explaining depreciation, I would like to state what it is an asset. Asset is actually that has a physical existence, or maybe it doesn't have a physical existence, but it has a value definitely. There are 3 types of assets. One is tangible assets, number 2 is intangible asset, number 3 is natural asset. What is tangible asset? It is an asset having physical existence with some value. Example, machinery, equipment, pipe, cell phone, television, or anything like that. Then intangible asset. Intangible asset is an asset that has no physical existence but has value. Example, trademark, formula, knowledge, goodwill, skill, and patent that has been developed on the basis of in-depth research. The third is natural asset like land, air, water, mineral deposits, mines. These also have a value. Now, what is book value? Book value is that value that is entered in the book. When you purchase a car or purchase any other item, the amount is entered by the organization in the books. After using it, say 1 year, 2 years, 3 or 5 years, the book value is again entered each year, and by the time it reaches 5th year, the depreciation takes place and the value recedes. It is decreased. Why? Because of usage. So that is book value. And now let me explain you depreciation. Depreciation is decrease in the value of asset due to factors like wear and tear, damage and deterioration due to excessive use. Also, asset being obsolete, not being used for a very long time, then the asset becomes useless almost. The value also decreases. Major effect of depreciation is in terms of tax consideration. In case a vehicle or any item that is new, the tax on the new item is higher as compared to an item that has been used, and with the passage of time the value decreases. The difference between the original value of the asset and the depreciated value of the asset is indirect income in depreciation to the taxpayer. Depreciation is an indirect source of income also. There are different mathematical models through which you can calculate depreciation value. First is straight line depreciation, second is declining balance method, third is sum of the year digit. All these methods, these mathematical models, have been carried out as an exercise in the classroom and you are familiar. Number two is depletion. Depletion, like depreciation, is also decrease in the value of asset. Depletion is applicable to natural assets or resources like mines, like mineral deposits, like natural gas. The value of natural asset, when it has decreased, it can never be restored, increased or revived. This is very important. Let's take the example of gold mine. Gold mine has a high exorbitant value, but when all gold is extracted and removed from the mine, then the value of mine drops and declines. So that is about depletion. With these words, I thank you for your participation.